So you're bang on target. The PLA Navy has created one Indian Navy in last decade plus, and which is not so good news for us. But there are three things, Rahul. One is numbers per se, and we don't believe in bean counting because numbers have their own advantage disadvantages. The second is the capability, what those platforms build in, whether it is ships, submarines, aircraft, etc. So those are things which has to be analyzed. They have to be war gamed, what capability they are bringing. And the third is the effect which they will have in actual operations. And that depends upon this very basic things called geography. What is geography of this area? It is predominantly, it is Indian Ocean. It is India is jutting out. So I would like to believe that we are blessed to have this kind of geography where in the Indian Ocean region, we will always have the so-called upper hand as far as geography is concerned. Because the Chinese Navy, if it has to come from wherever it is to come, there is something called, you must have read about tyranny of geography. And that cannot be circumvented by any amount of force. Because finally, the platforms has to fly, platform has to sail to come into Indian Ocean region. And we have got means and measures to track them whenever they leave, wherever they're supposed to leave. So that part is, I think, generally under control. Can they put everything what they have got to Indian Ocean region? We don't know. It is again a hypothesis which we can war game. But you can be rest assured that we are aware of what is happening, whether it is China or Pakistan.